What is up, guys? Lynch Mob here, bringing you another Command & Conquer's rival video. Now, today I'm going to be doing some ladder climbing. I am level 5, and I unlocked new aircrafts for both factions, actually. 2 for Nod, got the Banshee, and the Venom. Try those out, haven't yet. And for GDI, we got ourselves an Orca, which is good against ground vehicles. No idea how it's going to work with their reloading mechanic. I don't know if we have to return back to our base. Like, you have to return to your airfield in the Command & Conquer Tiberium Wars series. You have to return back to your airfield to reload. So I don't know if it's the same mechanic. I also unlocked the Sandstorm. Haven't used that yet. Haven't really been playing much as GDI. Been trying to climb as a Nod. I unlocked my first epic crate, and I was going to post it, but I forgot and opened it. So that's how I unlocked so many epics. Now we're going to got a rare crate cooking up right now. It's got a few hours left, and I'm going to unlock one as soon as I get up in this to 600. So now I'm going to swap out... should I swap out the Predator tank for the Orca? Yeah, I'm going to do the Predator tank, see how well that works. It's 10 more expensive, but it should get the job done. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. This will be our first ground. This will be our first battle with air units, so we're going to have to build an airfield. So I have no idea how expensive that is. My guess is going to be around 70 or 80. That is my guess on how much that's going to cost. Okay, taking a minute to find an opponent, so I'm going to redo that. And hopefully it'll go by a little bit quicker. Just a little bit quicker. I'm going to be releasing my first PC game. Actually, no, I released one about a year ago. I'm going to release a Terraria video on some modded Terraria. So if you're interested in that, be sure to keep an eye out for that. Gonna be doing a bunch of mods, probably like 20 or 30 mods mashed up into one game. So alright, so it's only 50, so that's not too expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna build a harvester, and I'm gonna pump out a barracks, and we're gonna I'm gonna do a rifleman. Need to come right here. Okay, so he has a rifleman. Okay, I'm going to bring up another rifleman right here. And we're going to take this first missile, I believe. Okay, you need to take out that rhino. Oh, wow. That took him out in one go. Boom. Nice. Orcas are the shit. Okay, so you definitely want orcas. And they don't have to return back to base. They just have to, you know, go and reload. They'll just reload on their own. And they can fly over terrain, which is amazing. So I think I found my new strategy. I'm just going to pump out these orcas. And for little guys, like the missile launchers, that's when I'll pump out this and this right here. Because I don't want to lose them since... Okay, he has an ion cannon. Oh, wow, that killed all of them. Okay. We're going to take out this Boom! You didn't even have a chance. See, how does he have 2 harvesters? I need to figure that out. Because that is something I need in my life. So, okay, but pit bulls will be a problem. So I'm just lucky that he doesn't have any pit bulls. Because that would be a major problem for me if he had pit bulls. I mean, he has rocket launchers, but they're not really a problem. My turret and my rifleman will easily take care of those. But he thinks that he is gonna take that, so I'm not gonna let him. And that's gonna be game right there. So I don't know how many medals I'm gonna go up for GDI. I think probably around 20. 25, alright. So I just need to do one more game. Oh, I should have brought out some rhinos. Literally, just one more game, okay. So I need to get 8 kills with rhinos, so I should be able to do that. He was not prepared for my orcas. That is for sure, because he just got taken out, and he was like 200 trophies ahead of me almost. Okay, this is a new map. That's cool. I didn't even know they had a new map out. Okay. So this one has 4 in the middle. That's kind of, that's a little dangerous. We've got these rocks blocking our things, so there won't be no quick, easy getting them. Okay, I'm going to instantly build an airfield, though. Because he is going to predator tank rush me, huh? Boom, boom. Where are you going? Oh no, my phone's at 5%. I need to put it on charger. How long? Okay, there's a little white line that tells you how long they've been reloading. So, I'm going to bring my other thing right here, and I'm going to take out both of them. Boom! That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So, the turrets instantly get messed up. There's like not even... Okay, I'm going to build a turret right here to help deal with those guys, because I already know he's going to try to bomb rush my orcas. So I need to bring in some rhinos, try to get them rhino kills up and going. Okay, so he has... I'm not going to let you take that right out from under me, so we're going to take out those guys. Alright, you need to move here, and we're going to move you up here. I don't know if that's a wise strategy, but I think it should work out pretty well. Okay, we're gonna have to bring those guys in. Alright, so we need another orca because that's not gonna work so well. Alright, that worked out pretty well in our favor. But, dang, okay. Not good, not good. What's this gonna be? What's this gonna be? And that's game. I don't know how I progressed further than him in that, to be honest. But hey, I got me win. And I got all 8 enemy squad kills with that. So that's always awesome. Okay, so we got ourselves a rare crate. Let's see what we get in here? We just unlocked the Talon. He's good against aircraft and ground units. Buggy, Scorpion Tank, Dr. Lang. Okay, so we get another, is that a rare crate? Rare crate, okay. So we get another rare crate for 800. Okay, never mind. It turned into an uncommon. So I don't know what was up with that, so it's really weird. Okay, so I'm at 618 for that. I'm going to jump into a Nod match, and we're going to try out the Nod vehicles, although I'm going to upgrade a troop first. Needing to upgrade these guys to level 6. Alright. I'm just going to leave it at that. Or is there... Okay, I'm going to train up some of these guys first. And we can get this one to level 4. And that's about it. So we're going to hop into a GDI match, except I'm going to build... So those are actually pretty cheap. But they're probably weaker in stats compared to Nod. So I just need to get attack bike kills. So I'm going to try swapping out these guys for equal cost. And I'm going to hop into this other match, and then I'm going to call it good for this video. Alright. So, let's see here. I'm going to rush a harvester. And I think I'm going to go for a air rush. As long as he doesn't do no missile laser squads, I should be fine. Okay, so he didn't. That's good for me. So I'm going to instantly build a Hand and Nod. Okay, so he did build that. So I'm going to attack him with this. And yeah, because that's not going to go so well. So I'm going to try doing that. And I'm going to send over my flame troopers to go and attack him directly at his base. Okay, so I'm getting rushed by that. Okay, so he's attacking with a Scorpion tank. Little does he know that's just going to fail. Okay, so I need to go bring that guy back. Because that's not gonna work for me. Sorry. Need to bring out another Banshee, attack the Scorpion tank. And I'm gonna go and harass him some more and try to take him out before even missile launches, because that'd be funny. And he uses that, so I don't know if that's gonna work so well in his favor, because he's not keeping up on his micro. And that's game right there. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you're learning a little something about Command & Conquer Rivals, be sure to leave a like, comment your suggestions down below, guys. It would be very helpful to me to expand my channel. And be sure to hit that sub button and the little bell for notifications when I post more. This has been Lynch Mob, and I am out of here. Deuce.